Sometimes your glasses may not sit just as straight or as comfy as you'd like them to. Here are some easy ways to adjust them yourself at home. If your glasses are sliding down your nose, for a metal frame, gently push the nose pads inward until they fit snugly against each side of your nose. For a plastic frame, heat the temple tips with warm water and carefully bend them inwards for a tighter fit behind the ear. If your glasses are digging into your nose, you'll need to do the opposite. Gently push the nose pads outwards or bend the temple upwards for a looser fit until they feel comfortable. If one lens is sitting higher than the other, bend the opposite temple downwards. So for example, if the left lens is higher, you bend the right temple and vice versa. If you'd rather not do this yourself, we offer free in-store adjustments. Simply go to your local optician, have them adjusted for you, and we'll reimburse you.